सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम संध्या एम.एस. मैं कर्नाटका से हूँ और मैं 17 इयर्स ओल्ड हूँ और मैं पिछले 7 इयर्स से योगा कर रही हूँ। आज मैं आपको सूर्य नमस्कार और कुछ आसन्स करके दिखाऊंगी। योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेनां योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतंजलिं प्रांजलिरानतोस्मि. As nowadays Surya Namaskar takes a important role, so we should know the benefits of this. As I say, it helps to lose weight. Doing the Surya Namaskar at a faster pace than usual is a good cardio exercise that can help in losing weight. And it also helps to make a glowing skin. It gives you a skin which is more precious to a youth nowadays, and it betters your digestive system. It gives good exercise for your digestive organs, and it brings down blood sugar level, and it also improves anxiety. This is a main problem in youth nowadays, and for this it improves anxiety and it calms down, and also it helps your body detox, and it also battles insomnia. So these are all the benefits of Surya Namaskar, and we should practice this in our daily life, and we should apply these into our life so we can improve our body, improve our systems, improve our every and each part of our body. So if you do this in a faster pace, then the benefits are more and more, and you can get more exercise from this. So here you can see doing Surya Namaskar. As I said, there are more and more benefits in this. You can practice 10 and 12 cycles in Surya Namaskars, and also there are so many steps in Surya Namaskar. Here I am doing 12 steps Surya Namaskar, and if you want to do more, you can do into your comfortable level, and you should do the asanas at your comfortable and comfortness. Just finished Surya Namaskar. As we came to asanas, it helps to work anytime, anywhere with asana. Keep remote and distributed teams and your entire organization focused on their goals, projects and tasks with asana. Now I am doing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. The benefits of Ardha Kati Chakrasana are: it helps elasticity of lateral region to increases, and lateral thoracic muscles are stretched and blood supply to them increases by practicing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Hip joints became flexible and excess fat around the waist reduces. Relieves from back pain, constipation and good for flat foot. Now I am going to do Bhujangasana, which is known as Cobra pose in English. And this by practicing this asana, we can strengthen the spine and stretches chest and lungs, shoulders and abdomen. It turns the buttocks and stimulates the abdominal organs and helps relieve stress and fatigue. Opens the heart and lungs. And it is also beneficial for asthma patients. Ushtrasana. Now I am going to do Ushtrasana. It reduces fat on thighs and it opens up the hips, stretching deep hip flexor and stretches and strengthens the shoulders and back. Expands the abdomen region, improving digestion and elimination. It also improves the posture and opens the chest, improving respiration. Loosens up the vertebrae and also relieves lower back pain. It helps to decrease the pain in the lower back. Now I am going to do Baddha Konasana. The benefits of Baddha Konasana are: it strengthens and improves flexibility in the inner thighs and groins and the knees. And it helps prepare the hips and groins for meditative seated poses which require more flexibility in these areas. It helps to soothe menstrual discomfort and digestive complaints. So, these are all the benefits of Baddha Konasana. Let's move on to next asana. Now I am going to do Viparita Karani Asana. Doing this asana gives more and more benefits as it regulates blood flow and it elevates menstrual cramps and it also relieves swollen ankles and varicose veins. It helps testicular, semen and ovarian problems in men and women respectively. And it also improves digestion and restores tired feet or legs, and it also stretches the back of the neck and front torso and back of the legs. So these are all the benefits of Viparita Karani Asana. Thank you so much each and everyone, and I want to thank Shamli Chakraborty ma'am. Thank you.